This is the Camp Chef SmokePro SG24 pellet grill, right out of the box. And I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. I'll be putting this one through the paces shortly, so let's take a quick look before I start to cook. This virtual showroom video is part 1. For part 2, click on the link to my full detailed review right below this screen. Welcome to our virtual showroom. Here's the Camp Chef SmokePro SG. SG stands for Slide and Grill. That's one of its most unique features. You pull this knob out and the heat diffuser slides away from the fire pot. Foods on the cooking grates are then exposed to the direct flame. It's supposed to act pretty much like a grill and provide higher temperature searing than most pellet smokers. Here's a key element to the design. Instead of a flat drip plate, SG has this louvered drip plate with slots that allow exposure to direct flame from the fire pot below when you slide away the heat diffuser. The slots are cut into raised hoods that keep grease from dripping into the fire and divert it to a grease bucket hanging outside. The sliding heat diffuser idea came from Camp Chef's unique and useful ash removal system that also employs a sliding mechanism. When ash collects in the fire pot, it can cause the system to shut down. To clean it out, you need to remove the diffuser, the drip plate, all the greasy cooking grates. Camp Chef's sliding ash removal system is like a trap door. You just slide this out, the bottom opens up, and ash drops into this removable ash cup for easy disposal. The main cooking surface consists of 2 thin, coated steel rod cooking grates. 2 plated steel rod upper grates almost double your capacity. To accommodate the additional upper cooking surfaces, the profile of the hood is 3 inches higher than on previous models. SG has a big 22-pound pellet hopper. I wonder if it's a little bigger than typical hoppers to supply SG when grilling at high temperatures. I'll bet this grill gobbles pellets when you turn it up all the way. There's a protective barrier to prevent sticking your fingers into the auger. Camp Chef gives you a pellet rake, which is useful because pellets tend to form a funnel shape above the auger, and you need to smooth them out occasionally to make sure the auger tube always has plenty of fuel. Here's another slider. This allows you to easily change pellet wood types or empty the hopper for storage. They just dump into a bucket or bag placed under the pellet chute. Camp Chef's controller is not too fancy, no Wi-Fi yet, but very functional, well thought out. I always like the fuse location on the control panel, because when they blow on most controllers, you have to take the dang thing apart to get at the fuse. So that's pretty convenient. SG has 2 integrated meat probes that get threaded through a small port above the hopper. Optional lower storage shelf, 2 large wheels, and a handle on the hopper to move SG around. Here it is then. The Camp Chef SG Slide and Grill. We're very curious to see if this will live up to the SG name. I thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on the link to my full detailed review. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.